Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there. And if you guys are already subscribed, thank you very much. And if you guys want to achieve this look that I made today, then just keep on watching. Bye. First off, we're going to be applying our Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. Just going to pat it in all over the face. I'm going to go ahead and mix my Fenty and Milani foundations. Now we're gonna blend with a beauty sponge.
Don't touch me.
And now with our L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Concealer.
Blend again.
So we're gonna go ahead and bake our face with Airspun. So this time with a buffing and blending brush. Now with our MAC Studio powder foundation. So with my Urban Decay, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. We're gonna go in with our Soft Glam Anastasia Palette. So going in with this dark shade here, Noor, we're gonna apply that onto our eyelids. Next shade is Rustic. And I went to go ahead and apply my contacts earlier because I forgot that my contacts were supposed to go with this look. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend my brown now on top of the black. Now with our 24/7 Urban Decay eyeliner. We're gonna go in with burnt orange. And we're gonna bring that on top of our darker brown. Just to lighten up that brown. And then going back with our Morphe M456, the darker brown, we're gonna go back and just darken it in the middle of both colors, just so that color can get its color back. And I'm not using any more any more excess product, just the leftover. Now going in with our e.l.f. cream eyeliner. Back with the Urban Decay black eyeliner. Now going back in with Noor. Going in with Rustic. With burnt orange again. Now with our Rimmel Nude Shape eyeliner. Now going in with Colourpop Crybaby. I finished my touch-ups and now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Geek lashes. So this is what it looks like with the lashes. We're gonna go in with our contour and I'll be right back. So here I am with my face contoured with the Romantic Milani Rose Blush. Blend it all around. Now with our Physicians highlight palette, we're gonna go ahead and apply this onto our face. The color I'm gonna be using today is going to be this color at the end right here. Using my hand, just slightly smearing onto my face. Not too harsh. Can you guys see it? It's a really soft, creamy texture. It feels so good. Like, it's so creamy and soft, but it doesn't really feel like cream. Just a little bit, but it's more like soft powder. You know what I mean? It kind of feels like, you know, the Maleficent one that I always use? It feels like that. It feels really good. I'm surprised that that Physicians actually stepping up their game. This is a really nice highlight. I like it. So far, this is my favorite, my new favorite highlighter. Because these are easier to apply onto your face, and you know, you don't always have to spray your brush, so your highlights can stay on. You know, as if it's a cream texture, it's gonna stay ready itself, so you don't have to, like, you know, make the highlight pop out even more by just spraying your brush and putting it onto your face to make it the color more vibrant. But yeah, I mean, it's all in my opinion, but if you guys want to try out this product, you guys should. If you guys love cream highlights, oh my god, you guys have to try this out. This is so, like, oh my god, it's really good. And it's pretty inexpensive too. I think it should be around maybe like $7 to $8 maybe. I've never actually seen it inside the store, like drugstores and stuff, but I think they probably only sell it online. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on it, but I'll go ahead and put down the link below though. But you guys should really try this product. It's really nice. Can you guys see the glow? Yeah, it's really nice. I'm surprised they're actually really, like, wow. So today I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's lipstick in the shade of Board Meeting. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the Nude Milani lipstick. So with Pillow Plump, we are going to apply this on our lips. Last but least, we're going to be using our mascara from Tarte in Big Ego. So this is the finished look. So I hope that you guys liked it and tried it out. But if you guys do, please let me know how you guys liked it. And also please like and share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. So I'll be uploading once or twice a week. So stay tuned for that. Bye.